My dear children, this is also a continuation of the same chapter and the same module. This figure we discussed previously. It is nothing but the mission cycle. Coming to the definition of a cache memory. Cache memory is a very high speed semiconductor memory which can speed up the CPU. The speed of the processing unit depends upon the speed of cache memory. It acts as a buffer. Buffer is nothing but a storage area between the CPU and the main memory. It is used to hold those parts of a data and program which are most frequently used by CPU. The cache memory is a very small memory while we are comparing with RAM, ROM and other secondary memory. The cache memory erases the data after processing. Each and every second, the content of the cache memory is changed. Depends upon how the inputs flows into microprocessor and how the processing output flows to output devices. What are the advantages of cache memory? The cache memory is faster than all other types of memories, including main memory and secondary memory. It consumes less access time as compared to main memory. It stores the program that can be executed within a short period of time. That is, the storage area of cache memory is very less than compared with the RAM, ROM and hard disk. It stores data for temporary use only. That is, for a process, it stores the data. After processing, it releases the memory which is used by the earlier program. What are the disadvantages of a cache memory? The cache memory having only limited space. As we discussed, it is having less amount of space than RAM and ROM. It is very expensive also. As I told before, the CPU processing speed is always depends upon the cache memory. My dear children, this is a new memory as you studied earlier. Unlike primary and secondary memory, it have only less amount of storage area. I think you're all clear about what is a cache memory and what is the role of cache memory in processing of data. Thank you.